As the golden sunlight illuminates these endless farms, the peanut harvesting season officially begins.
Keep the conveyor steady. Trailer 2 is almost full.
These look excellent, B. The size and maturity are exactly what we want.
Agreed. I'll separate the damaged ones now.
Inspector check complete.
Confirmed. All units, begin rolling out now.
Make sure the tilt angle is correct. Set at 45 degrees. Stand clear of the platform.
Got another stone here. Making a note.
Catch.
Good catch. Keep the flow steady.
Check the sensor readings on Tunnel 3.
Looks stable, right within the parameters.
Keep an eye on the timing for the next rotation.
Looks good. The golden brown is consistent. Reless. Selected batches continue into a premium flavor coating department. Fine powders and natural seasonings are applied.
Look at the throughput metrics here. We are exceeding the target weight consistency by 2%.
Keep coming straight back. Easy now. Okay, set it down right there. Make sure it's strapped tight. Looks good from here, boss.
Make sure you scan every box on that pallet. The count has to be exact.
Already on it. Just confirming the shipment details now.
This smoky barbecue sounds good. But the classic salted is a bigger jar, look.
Daddy, I want that one.
Wow, look at that golden roast.
Smells amazing. Try some, sweetie.
These are the best.
Female quality assurance specialists inspect every department of the factory throughout the day. Production equipment is sanitized. We ensure responsible manufacturing by byproducts and purifying processing water efficiently. Our engineers constantly monitor the systems.
Check the alignment on this row, John.
Yeah.
Looks perfect from here. Ready for sign-off.
Finished pallets are loaded into trucks and shipping containers for domestic and international markets. Logistics teams coordinate deliveries using advanced tracking systems.